Welcome to Phoenix International School, Jaora, which is located in Ratlam district, Madhya Pradesh. I would like to welcome our honorable IC members. Please have a look to our school. This is our main gate. This is the guard room. Here, this side, it is the parking area where the school buses and the visitors vehicles stand. Again to the school entrance gate. Now we are entering the gate campus. This is the boundary wall which encircles the campus and returns back here. This is the aerial view of our school campus. Parking area, all the buses, playgrounds, school building, everything is visible. Back view of the school building. Moving towards the playground. He is our PTI, Mr. Amit Rawal. He is BP8. This is the Kabaddi ground. This side, children used to play javelin throw, disc throw, shot put throw. This is the cricket pitch. This is the overall aerial view of our playground number 1. All the pitches, cricket pitch, Kabaddi ground and the athletic pitch is visible from here. Now we are moving towards the playground and the play station where our younger children used to play. Here we have the front view of our school building. Moving towards it. Now we are entering the school building. Here, a thought by great saint, philosopher and thinker Swami Vivekananda is written, "Arise, awake and stop not till the goal reached." Here, this side, a few activities are depicted here. The glimpse of the activities. She is our receptionist, Miss Kushi. This is our account section. Admin staff is there. This is fire extinguisher here. Now we are moving towards Director Sir's office. Here are directors, Mr. Vineet Bafna and Mr. Yatindra Saklechai. This is the quadrangle where assemblies are conducted. This is the stage. In regular school days, we have our morning assemblies. This is the badminton court in our playground number 2. This is the aerial view of playground number 2. Aerial view of playground number 1. Then playground number 2. And playground number 3, the Coco playground. This is the corridor of our school building, display board. This is infirmary. She is our special education teacher, Miss Hemlata Barve. First aid box. Display board. Moving in the corridor. This is our computer lab. This is fire extinguisher here. Here it is the stock register. Stock register is kept there. We are having internet facility here in our lab. He is our computer teacher. Now we are moving towards the smart class. Again, fire extinguisher. This is our smart classroom. It is beautifully decorated, well ventilated classroom having CCTV cameras. Smart board. This is our multi-purpose activity room, music room, dance room. Children used to come here to attend their activity classes. He is our dance teacher, Mr. Arpit Jain. She is our art and craft teacher, Miss Alima Khan. All the musical instruments are kept here. Children enjoy and they learn. They play beautifully. We have our school band also. They used to sing in morning assembly. We have choir group. This is the activity register in which all the activities are recorded which are conducted in the session with the photographs and the description, and this is our stock register. Now we are moving towards our classroom. This is class first. The classroom is well ventilated. Windows, fans, lights and CCTV cameras. This is another entrance of our school building. It is a ramp for the disabled children. This is the proposed 11th classroom. Well furnished, ventilated. Green board. This is proposed 11th science classroom. The entire campus is under surveillance of CCTV cameras. We have 50 plus cameras in our whole campus. It monitors the campus. We are moving towards the proposed 12th class. Furniture, well ventilated. This is proposed class 12th classroom. It has a smart board, teacher's table, furniture, and all the things which are essential. Now we are moving upstairs towards first floor. This is our chemistry lab. We are entering it. He is our chemistry teacher, PGT, Mr. K.C. Patidar. This is the stock register. Here it is fire extinguisher again. These are the almirahs where all the compounds and chemicals are kept. Here we have the apparatus which is used for practicals in chemistry subject. Burette, pipette, spirit lamp, test tubes, holders, tongs, physical balance. Beakers, stopwatch, china dish, the taps are here, measuring cylinder, conical flask, modern periodic table, again the almirahs where stock is kept. We are heading towards biology lab. He is our biology PGT, Mr. Ashish Sharma. This is the stock register of biology lab. All the charts are displayed beautifully on the walls. Specimen are here. Models for learning human anatomy. Human skeleton. slides, pH paper, dissection box, watch glass, filter paper, microscopes. This is the whole view of biology class. Now we are entering physics lab. She is our physics PGT, Miss Swati. Here all the apparatus which are used for conducting the practicals in physics labs are assembled here. Stopwatches, glass tape, spring balance, ammeter, voltmeter, optical bench, resonance apparatus for sound, sonometer, Daniell cell. Balance, prism, digital weigh, screw gauge, vernier calipers, bar magnet, compasses, ohms apparatus, rheostat, telescope, This is the stock registers of physics lab. All the materials are stocked here in this register. We are moving towards auditorium. It is our multi-purpose activity hall. It is especially for the children to overcome their stage fear. Various activities are conducted here. This is our school library. The books are managed here according to their genre, generals, reference books, story books, novels. All kind of books are sorted here. Children used to come and read the books calmly. Magazines, newspaper. He is our librarian, Mr. Vinay Joshi. This is our stock register of library. Teachers book issue register, students book issue registers. This is social and math lab. Children conduct various experiments and they enjoy coming in this multi-purpose room. All the charts are displayed on the wall. She is our social science PGT, Miss Vinita Tiwari. He is social science teacher, Mr. Nitin Verma. The maths apparatus is shown here. Different shapes, geometrical box. She is our maths TGT. This is robotics segment. Children enjoy performing different projects in robotics. They find it very interesting. This is proposed 11th Commerce classroom. Furniture. Well ventilated classroom is here. This is the board shown from the front. This is proposed 12th Commerce classroom. Furniture. Board. All the requirements are here. Now moving towards the wellness room. She is our counselor, Miss Priyanka Mishra. She keeps a proper record and the data of the children whom she counsels. Now, indoor sports room. Let's enter. He is our PTI, Mr. Amit Rawal. This is the stock register of sports items. This is the indoor games, chess, carom board, children enjoy playing various activities here. Scatters, these skating boots are kept. We have karate and judo also in our school. One of our students took part in karate championship in Malaysia and he scored a bronze medal. And this is really a proud moment for the school. Table tennis. This is our school exam cell. Here all the records related to examination are kept and the work related to question papers are done here. Now we are entering the staff room. A few teachers are sitting here. These are the shelves of the teachers, the cupboards. Here, this is RO water purifier, and this is the cooling tank where water is stored and get chilled. This is the drinking water facility. It is connected to the RO water filter. These are the taps which are connected to RO drinking water facility. This is boys' toilet. Urinals are having partitions. These are the hand wash taps. This is girls' toilet. Separate washrooms are there. It is well ventilated. These are the taps, hand wash taps outside the washroom. This is the staff toilet. This is disabled toilet. And now we are entering principal office. This was the infrastructure tour of Phoenix International School. Thank you.